Hello guys. So meron tayong pag-uusapan, no? Importante itong gamit na to sa lalong-lalo na sa dig maintenance natin when we are doing a uh, working alok. Working alok means working above the deck for at least minimum of 3 meters. So we need to use this falling arrester, no? So this falling arrester is pakita ko lang sa inyo mamaya. This falling arrester is used together with our safety harness. So ito po yung ano niya. Ito. So ganito siya, no? So ang gagawin natin, we must secure this one to a strong point above us. So in order to stop the fall. So that is why it is called falling arrester, no? So how does this thing works? Now if we are going to pull this one gently, so it will not of course it will not stop since you are just pulling it gently. But of course when we fall, kung babagsak tayo, nasa itaas natin to, so it will be sudden, no? So when that happens, when we pull this one quickly, no? When we pull this one quickly, we are going to simulate the fall, right, like that. Okay, but if we are going to pull it slowly, no problem. Okay, since we are not falling, so that is that's how it works. Okay, so ganun. So pag ano lang, gentle, kasi nagtatrabaho ka, pababa, walang problema. Pero kapag ka ano siya, mabilis yung pagbaba mo, no? So it means you are falling, no? So if you are falling like, see, so it suddenly stops. Okay, so ganyan yung ano na to, that's how the thing works. This is what we call as falling arrester. Okay, falling arrester.